understanding of who is a high performance leader and what qualities we want to develop henceforth so we can produce high performance results. In our opinion, a high performance leader is someone who is credible. And by credibility, we are looking at honesty, someone who has a vision, someone who is able to empower and engage others to run towards that vision willingly, someone who is competent, someone who listens, someone who is known for something and not just someone who says, I will do this and does something else. We believe that a high performance leader is someone who is known for something and the person stands by their values and their principles. We looked at the case of Nkem Mpamah and Melissa Poi. And what we learned from both of them, from Anne first, we learned that even though Anne didn't have the right financial background, she didn't just feel, oh well, I've been appointed CEO, I don't have the right financial background, I can as well just do what I can do, what my background allows me to do and move. Instead, she looked at it and she decided to learn on the job to make up for the formal training that she didn't have. So she made up for the required competence that she needed to be a high performance leader. She was honest. She knew that on her own she couldn't turn the company around. So when she was meeting with people, she was not telling them that, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. She was saying, this is where the company is. What do you think we can do? I can do, my team can do to take this company forward. Thirdly, she identified successful people. She knew people who had gone through that line, who had made it. She wasn't just looking at anybody. She was focused. She knew who she wanted to get to where she was. She also realized that she couldn't do it alone. So she used the values that she had to make her people understand that either you roll up your sleeves and come with me, or you go. The choice is yours. She was known for something, and she was able to communicate her values clearly. So from this, we've learned that we've learned that from now henceforth, we'll listen to people who have gone ahead of us and have made valuable progress. We'll leverage on available resources to produce best results. Our boss will be able to trust us for what we say. And when we cannot deliver at the specified time, we'll come out clean, even when we need help. We'll be open to learning and we'll be determined. Thank you.
Joshua, please.